an amount of 1560 rupees, 1560 rupees is divided among A and B. 1560 rupees is divided among A and B in the ratio 3:1. In the ratio 3:1. Find the share of A. The procedure to do this one is the total is there. So you come out of the ratio 3:1, right? You come out that is A and B are nothing but direct it is 3x and x. 3x plus x is total is how much? 1560. You will find x here. 4x is equal to 1560. So x is what? Right? X you will get it as 390. Once you get x, so 3x is your answer. 3 into 9. 390. So it is 1170. This is the original way of doing. We have learned that one. Okay.